I was opposition leader for 8 years. I was always moving with my ministers. And they were always, people are asking me questions. You say you are the leader of the minority in parliament, opposition leader. I say yes. But why are you in bed with this?
Welcome to the Political Run to Me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVG. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification. At anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. A trend be was social media among NDC food soldiers. Say, Oma banye bibi aden enya ade aye ade pa. Na obi a usu feel say o ade we aban we ye no enye. Na control social media. Na mo be commenti. 40 years in opposition, 60 years in opposition, 99 years in opposition, and all those things. Say a trend be meaning say okofo bebre. Now, most of the time, no, say that omu petros are there. And I me wonder say Sankrofo we omu history of Ghana politics. Because say history of Ghana politics is anything to go by. Like I say, NPP was not supposed to lose 2008 election. Say the history of Ghana. Say yeah, at the par political party biaye entia. Say Anka. Say the time that Kufuor was heading out of power. Developments Kufuor there two akwemu pa when free maternal care, health insurance, and metro mass transit. For omuko like students when they were going to school. Where if you are going to school, you are in school uniform, you don't pay, and all those things. So Sanyamanu Anka Ghana for bet who Sanyamanu will say there be that notwithstanding, Ghanaians went ahead to vote against NPP. I was 208 election. And say NDC, Amuba Bemu 209 to 2016. And they lost by the biggest margin. They lost by the biggest margin. As at that time, I 2016, I over 1.6 million votes. I been see that. Until then, I was a history mono. Yet, I'm waiting in opposition. And I'm 8 years and they rebrand you to come back and win with a 2 million margin. Say, what me chance I to me side there. And yes, I who say election 2028. And yeah, they be already determined. A bet in Yabem process said John Mahama, His Excellency, a current president, also the Abuchiri Baganampua. There are certain few Nema Kitikiti Bintina Ghanaians will vote for NPP. And they say no, I the passer, they say no, a NDC big wing, none other than Speaker Bagbin himself, that has come out to come and say, it is not possible for any one political party to be in power forever. And as I declare, and try my democracy. Or be a war pretty or running democracy biano will tell you say one party about by one after some years I say some party in opposition because obitina hot chair or to me who system nemo and how to outsmart the system.
These guys are fighting each other there because of what? Political philosophy. America versus Russia. If not, it's one Korea. And they divided it, the South for America, the North for Russia. And that has become a bane of conflict up to date. Why? Brothers and sisters. And so Ghana, so unique that when they hear that we sit like we are sitting, even our parliament, when we go around and we are moving together, both opposition and government, the other parliaments are surprised. I was opposition leader for 8 years. I was always moving with my ministers. And they were always, people are asking me questions. You say you are the leader of the minority in parliament, opposition leader. I say yes. But why are you in bed with these people? Are you sure you are opposing them? I said, I'm opposing them. Now, how? I said, but how do you oppose somebody if you don't know the person properly? you fight your opponent and you haven't studied your opponent, how are you going to fight your opponent? So when we won, I met them. I told you so. They said, now we believe. You know? But my colleagues in Nigeria told me that, look, that one, you say you are from Brothers Party. I said, yes. So you people, you sat there and allowed the opposition to beat you in election. I said, what are you talking about? We're not sitting. We're standing. And we fought it, but we lost. Because change is permanent. There's nothing you can do about it. There's no government that will come in Ghana and be there forever. No, it's not normal. Change will come when it will come. If you try to stop it, it will come with force and it's destructive. I told my colleagues in Nigeria, no, it will never happen in Nigeria. When it happened, they sent for me to come and take them through a workshop. How to live in opposition. And I was there for High Court to take through Goodman, Jonathan and his party, how to live through opposition. So this is the place to come. This is the house of the people. And Ghanaians will hear from us. I will encourage the members to come with statements on the floor and allow comments to be made about the goodness of this, I must say, implementation efforts. Because I know it's in the minds, it's in the hearts of all Ghanaians. And if we carry it through properly, then once Parliament is united, the country will be united. So we wish you all the best. Be sure we are with you all the way, and we will work towards the benefits of our country. But please, religious peace, harmony is a must for development. And God Himself will grant us, because our own Osajefu Dr. Kwame stated it at independence, that without God, you cannot achieve anything. And that is what many of us have also lost. I just end by letting you see why they were wearing smoke. I don't know how come I'm wearing smoke today. Because when he was imprisoned here, and there were agitations, he was taken to Kumasi and grow what we eat. Be who we are. Wear our clothing. Why? When you wear it, how they admire it. I was in Russia a few weeks ago. I just showed a kente.
How to beat the system. Or beating a whole chain, it brings corruption. And the nyame ewa ni wisdom ni nyasem no. Why in such a way say, after a period of time, the people become tired of you. They become tired of your brand. And the NDC for say more senior, one of your astute politician. Because I say more. Any mu so. Now some of the things you do, some of the steps you take, some of the things you say, start paying attention to it. Start amending your ways, because the day of a or a day will come, a Davi Beba, that you will have to build how to account to Ghanaians and then to the NPP, because then NPP never will buy them, and you will have to account to them for your stewardship, and that is when a lot of people will see their smoothness level.